Come, join us to our trip to Boston. Hi, welcome back to Peppy Sage, and today we are driving to Boston, Massachusetts from New Jersey, USA. If you are watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Shubha and we are a family of 4. I will share my trip details in this video, show you places I have visited in my 2 days trip to Boston. But before I start, enjoy the scenic road from New Jersey to Massachusetts and click to the subscribe button if you like it. We started at 8:30 a.m. from New Jersey and reached Boston at around 1:30 p.m. We took a 1 hour's break after 2 hours of travel that was much needed for food, kids and for petrol refill. For the details of this location, check the description box. Our first stop was the Howard Yard. We parked our car on the roadside parking, which cost us nothing because it was a holiday. On working days, you can book mobile parking at the machines installed on site. Once we parked our car, we spotted a church and explored it on our way. Next, we walked towards Howard Yard, and if you want, you can take a guided tour. For that, you can install an app. I will put the link in the description again, or take a guided tour which is offered by the university students on weekends or holidays. You will spend a good 1 to 2 hours time exploring the huge Howard University campus and the Cambridge campus. Once done, we drove towards our next destination, which is Boston Commons and Public Gardens. These are the two parks next to one another. We parked our car at the Boston Commons garage, which we booked a day ago through an app called Spot Hero. I will leave the link in the description. There is so much to do for kids in Commons: a merry-go-round, a frog pond where kids can enjoy, a tadpole park for kids. There is plenty of greenery where you can enjoy good food from the nearby stalls, or you can enjoy a picnic with your food basket that you have brought along with you from your home. There are public restrooms beside the frog pond and outside the garden. You will find clean mobile toilets alongside the gardens as well. Once done, we just cross the road to enter the Public Gardens, our next destination. This is Boston's famous Victorian era garden. It's most famous for many things like make way for duckling statues, swan boat ride, and have a great picnic there. We didn't see swans, but we really spotted these duck and ducklings over here, and my kids were really excited. It was 4th of July and the park was mostly filled with people, and everybody was enjoying the vibe of this public gardens in Boston. These swan boats are an tourist attraction. If you want, you can take a ride. The ticket costs something around $4 to $5, and this looks amazingly beautiful. We then walked towards the Quincy Market and Freedom Trail, which was 12 minutes walk from there. We were lucky to spot the Massachusetts State House during our walk. I am happy that we decided to walk to the Quincy Market because the buildings and the roadside were really marvelous, and I love to walk in Boston. On our way, we stepped upon the Freedom Trail, which was a 2.5 miles walk, and you will find 16 historical places during the trail. We didn't had much energy left, so we walked towards the Quincy Market, which was on the Freedom Trail itself. In the meanwhile, we reached a graveyard, which is also part of the trail. Once we reached Quincy Market, we found the place really happening. There were road shows, food stalls, and loads of fun. Quincy Market is a market which is a part of Faneuil Hall. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this well. So this is a visitor center inside which you will find the shops if you want to take some memory home. By the time we reached this place, it was already closed, but I just wanted to explore to see what's inside. Once you follow the Freedom Trail, which looks like this, a red brick road, like a line in between, you will reach to this place, which is actually the Quincy Market. And this is a paradise for foodies. You must try a lobster roll from Quincy Market if you are in Boston, and don't miss out on that. Okay, the next thing was not in our plan. We just decided to take a walk alongside the Quincy Market. You can find these beautiful stores around. And yes, there are many options. If you want to take home some Boston memory home, you can buy it from here. After we took a short walk and crossed this road, we came to the riverfront, which was really exciting because we were not expecting this here. This place was really beautiful. You want to be here to take beautiful photos, have some food alongside the riverfront, and go for a cruise. You could take a ferry for whale watching, you can go for sunset watching, and you can also enjoy the state ferry service from here. However, if you plan to stay in the shore, enjoy the great view of the river, the cruises that are sailing, and take a stroll along this way. We spent our whole evening in this place, but it was little cloudy. Then it was time for us to check into our hotel. It was little disappointing that the hotel was 45 minutes drive away from the Boston city. However, the hotel was good, the rooms were good as I was expecting, and here is a tour for you. They also gave us a baby cot on request. By the way, the Holiday Inn Express at Andover offers complimentary breakfast and free on-site parking. The rooms were decent size, the bed was good, there was lot of room for storage, and I must specially thank the housekeeping service. It was too good. The only complaint about this hotel was the carpet. It seemed a little gross to me. I think it's time for them to change it. Next day morning, we had our breakfast at the hotel and started our day at around 9:30 a.m. and our first destination was Castle Island in Boston. Whoa!
Oh, that's the airport.
We are here at the Castle Island, which was like 45 minutes away from our house, and this is just beside the beach. So, you know, Pleasure Island and Castle Island are all nearby places from where you can just walk. So it's a circle which we found out. So I think there's a airport nearby as well. So you can see today the weather is little cloudy, so you can't see the flights taking off clearly, but it's like just above your head, and it looks really nice. So you can walk from the water. There is a path to walk and it will really feel good. I don't know how much my camera will be able to do justice, but the place is just magical because most of the part of the water we can see from here is covered under the clouds. If you can see this ship which I'm showing right now, so you can see the bottom part of the ship is disappearing because of the clouds. So I just met a lady over here who told me that every day this place is like magical. Every day there is something different that you can see, you can expect from the nature. She was a localite here, and that is what I came to know from her, and truly it's magical. I have never experienced such a place where it's like this. Now you can see slowly this boat is also going into the clouds and getting disappeared a little bit. Like, I don't know how to explain this. So if you are coming to Boston, this place is a must visit. You must visit the Castle Island. You can enjoy this calm beach over here, and there are also lifeguards around, so you don't need to worry. There's a long walk alongside the river, which also, encircles the river over there, and you can take this whole circle walk. We came all the way from that point. We have kept our car over there, somewhere over there, and we have taken this path which is like on the river, and we have come across this way. Okay, so we will take a round from here and then again like meet at our car park. It was already 1:30 or 2ish at that time, and then we decided to take a 2 hours drive to the Cape Cod, which is a beautiful beach, but that is outside the town of Boston but inside Massachusetts. On reaching there, we came to know that there are several beaches on that place, but you have to choose one according to your taste. There were several beach houses alongside the way, and I love all of these houses, like how beautiful they are, and every house has a boat, and there are like beautiful flower gardens in front, and that is a scene by itself. It was already 3:45 p.m. when we reached, and we went to the beautiful beach and stayed there for around half an hour because my little one was not really ready for that windy beach. The beach was really nice and clean, and there were many people over there, but it was not overly crowded. From morning till 3:30 in the afternoon, there is a fees of $25 for parking. That brings us to the end of this journey, and here we are returning back home. Here are some pro tips. Pack a lot of snacks for the kids and the driver. Pack a pair of sandals as you can go to the beach. Have a lot of sun protection. Enjoy the abundance of food at Boston. Book your hotel somewhere in downtown, Bayback or South End area. Definitely subscribe to my channel.